Guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Enable Website Design. In this video we are going to discuss how you can check the connected devices with your Google account. So let me go here and type accounts.google.com and click here. Then now here you can see on the top different tabs. So now you can click on security tab, and after that scroll down. Now here you can see currently 5 devices are connected with this Google account. So let me go and click here. So now here you can see these are all the devices. Now you can click on manage devices, and if you want to remove any of these, for example I want to remove this one, then simply click here on sign out button. So now we have removed access from this device.